What happens to products if they don't sell? Will Amazon fine you? Will they stop you? Or worse yet, will they close down your account? Let's find out. Welcome to episode 1 of Amazon Decoded, the series right here on our YouTube channel that can provide you all of the information that you need in order to thrive on Amazon. Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We're certified Amazon service providers and we're focused on the Amazon Middle East market, UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Reach out to our team on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Book an appointment so that you can find out how we can help you thrive on Amazon. What happens to customer returns, units that Amazon customers return to the Amazon FBA warehouse because they don't really like them, as an example? What happens to these units? I'll let you know. Keep watching the video till the end. But for now, let's discuss what happens in case your units as an Amazon FBA seller are stored in the Amazon warehouse, but you have no or very low sales. Inventory age. The longer your inventory stays at the Amazon FBA warehouse, the longer or the higher your Amazon storage fees are going to be. The Amazon storage fees are based on a FIFO system, first in, first out, and divided into 5 different segments. Segment number 1, 0 to 90 days, 91 to 180 days, 181 days to 270 days, 271 to 365 days, and then 365 plus. Once you log in, or once your products rather reach the Amazon UAE or any Amazon warehouse, then they go through this inventory age, and the longer your inventory stays, the more you might be eligible to pay long-term storage fees.
So as you can see here, I'm on the Manage Inventory Health page, where you can check the inventory age for your particular products. For this particular product, we have 94 units that are currently available, and the inventory age is still in Tier 1, which is between 0 and 60 days. As the progress of the inventory goes, as it ages, if it doesn't sell out, then Amazon will be moving this. And this is an easy way for you to track your inventory age. There's also sometimes some recommendations by Amazon to let you know what changes you can possibly make in order to basically sell out the inventory.
Long-term storage fees. Amazon products that stay in the warehouse for more than 365 days are subject to additional fees, known as long-term storage fees. How do you find out what these fees are? Let me show you an example of Amazon UAE.
I'll leave this very important page linked in the description box of this video. But this is just to give you an idea of what long-term storage fees would cost. Currently, storage at Amazon is 2 dirhams per cubic foot per month. But for the long-term storage, it goes up to 40 dirhams. If you are a UAE seller, if you are a non-UAE seller, if you are an international seller, then it goes up to 20 dirhams. So a significant increase in price. And right here, they're giving you an additional idea of if you were selling a toaster, as an example, with these measurements, what would be the additional prices if you were to add on top of that the long-term storage fees, and it goes up to 11.33 per unit. That's a lot. That's a very, very high fee. So you need to make sure that you don't go through this long-term storage problem.
Avoid paying long-term storage fees. Can you actually avoid paying long-term storage fees? Yes, by setting up an automatic removal, which you can create in case your products pass through the threshold where you will start getting charged additional storage fees or long-term storage fees. Then you can automatically request from Amazon to remove your units and send them to a nearby address or an address of your choice.
It couldn't be any simpler. So as you can see here, I'm in the automated fulfillable inventory settings, which basically means I'm going to be telling Amazon, if the units go over the 365 days threshold, then what do they need to do? Here it says long-term storage removal settings. They are currently disabled, which basically means If the inventory goes into the 365 days plus, then I will be automatically charged long-term fees. I don't want that. And I suggest you do the same thing. All you need to do is click enable. And then after you click enable, you need to decide whether Amazon should return your inventory or they should dispose of your inventory, depending on a lot of factors, of course. If you decide to return, then they might ask you again to confirm your return address, update, and then you're good to go.
Unfulfillable inventory. So finally, the units that are returned from Amazon customers that are considered damaged by Amazon, meaning they cannot be resold, will be sidelined as unfulfillable inventory. Even inventory or products rather that are defective will also be sidelined as unfulfillable inventory. Now, unfulfillable inventory is still inventory that you are paying storage fees for, and they are units that you cannot sell, hence unfulfillable. Amazon cannot fulfill those orders, and they are taking up a part of your inventory, your overall inventory allocation. You need to get them out as soon as you can. What can you do if you have unfulfillable inventory? Two main solutions. Solution number one would be return address. Solution number two would be disposal. Return address basically means you request from Amazon to remove the units and send them over to an address in the same country where you are selling. Obviously, this is the most common situation or the most common used solution by any seller. However, if you are an international seller, maybe it's not always an easy solution for you. In the UAE, KSA market, in the Middle East market, as of me filming this video, removing inventory from Amazon is free of charge. If you're not selling in these marketplaces, or if you're watching this video at any time, I would suggest that you do your due diligence and make sure that it is actually free and Amazon are not going to charge you. What about disposing of your products? Yes, you can request from Amazon to dispose of the products or throw them away. Again, in the Middle East markets, this is also done free of charge, but check in your market or in any market that you are selling in and make sure that it is actually right now still free of charge, or what the charges are for Amazon to do this type of service. Now remember one thing, Amazon will send you an email telling you or notifying you to remove unfulfillable units. If you fail to remove these unfulfillable units within 14 days, Amazon might automatically dispose of them. So make sure as soon as you receive the email from Amazon that you actually remove the inventory in order to not have it thrown away by Amazon, and then you can decide the appropriate course of action. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video in this series. Like this video and share it with like-minded people. If you have any question, leave me that question in the comment section below, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.